Now we are going to practice 10 asanas, which are part of a special package having various yoga abhyas in the order of priority. Although there are 3 main yoga abhyas, which are practiced by everyone in our yoga classes. These include Ardhasana, Padavrittasana and Dvichakrikasana mainly. But today we are going to practice 3 asanas in sitting posture. After these 3 asanas, we will practice 2 more in standing position and then 5 more asanas in lying position. Among these 3 asanas we keep recommending from time to time. We are going to add 2 more today, especially for thyroid and throat problems. They are Sarvangasana and Halasana. Practice them if you can. Of these 10 asanas, if you are able to practice even 3, you will remain healthy. But the reason behind recommending these 10 asanas is to provide 100% surety of getting rid of obesity. And still, if you feel the need, you may take home remedies and change your diet that we will recommend you. So, for the first practice, stretch both your legs in front. You have to perform grinding action. Both the feet join together in front. After joining your feet in front, you make a big circle with both your hands. Both the legs join together in front, like this. Rotate your hands forward and backward. In this manner, making a big circle. In case of lower back pain, do not bend forward, just take this precaution. Interlock your fingers, join both the feet in the front. Do not lift your knees, they will remain straight. Do not lift your legs even while moving backward. Do not lift your leg like this. Keep them straight on the ground itself. Rotate fully in this manner. Then from opposite direction. This is effective especially to reduce fat from the stomach. Many a times, when you put on weight, first of all, you develop a paunch, thereafter waistline increases, followed by heaviness in hips, and then thighs and buttocks. This practice is effective for all these parts. Earlier, women used to grind in this manner. They used to be slim and smart. These days, they don't indulge in such physical work and sleep a lot in the afternoon. If you want to get rid of obesity, stop sleeping during the day. Develop control over eating habits. Drink lukewarm water in the morning and practice this asana. Make a big circle. Stop eating sweets. Whenever you feel thirsty, drink lukewarm water. Your extra pounds will disappear automatically. Just practice little yoga. Rotate like this. While moving forward, keep hands like this and like this while moving backward. Rotate from behind the toes, taking them over your thighs in this manner. Knees straight and toes stretched outwards. Repeat the same from opposite direction. Do not bend your elbows. Elbows will remain straight. It will not be effective if you rotate while bending your elbows, even if you practice it for 100 times. This was the first practice. Now second asana. Open both the legs in the front. In this posture, practice Kati Saundaryasana. In many cases, due to obesity, the waistline increases so much that the waist disappears totally. Thigh and buttocks also accumulate extra fat. When you see your image in the mirror, you are ashamed of yourself. At the time of birth, we all were gifted with a beautiful body, and by adopting wrong habits, we have made it so ugly. One should keep childhood photographed carefully so that later on, in young age or in old age, one is able to compare and judge what he has done to his body due to laziness and bad habits. Keep both the hands like this. For Kati Saundaryasana, take a deep breath in. In case of lower back pain, do not bend forward. Take a deep breath and hold the big toe of the left foot with your right hand. Your left hand is upward, look at that, and come back to the same position. Then practice from the other side. There are many other benefits of this exercise as well. In case of severe pain in the lower back, practice only so much. Like this. And like this. And like this. By breathing in, bend to a side, then while breathing out, come back. This is effective especially for reducing your waistline. Extra fats in arms will also reduce. So it will reduce the fat from your waistline, stomach and arms also. Do it like this. You can practice at fast pace also. This was the second asana. Now the third. Paschimottanasana. Stretch both the legs in front like this.